Hi, my name is Jessica, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a hemp necklace. Now, if you just want to do like one bead right in the middle, that's usually pretty easy to determine because you're just going to determine the length from the end of your necklace, put it on the back of your neck, and see how far it is to the middle of your neck, and that's where you put your bead. Now, if you're using a long bead like this, it might be a little bit more the length. If it's over here, you know, it's going to look a little bit odd. You have to make sure that it's going to be right in the center. And then the final tip, as I've been saying throughout this video, is that you want to make sure you have beads with big enough holes to fit your hemp through. And sometimes you'll pick some beads out that probably are big enough, but you're maybe having some trouble getting them through the hole. So I'm just going to show you some tips for that. Basically, you know, say this is too big to get in here. Now it's not, but take your scissors and cut the end of your strings on an angle like that, so it can it'll poke through. Once you have both your strings through the bead, it's usually pretty easy to get them all the way through. It's kind of just getting them both in there in the hole at once that can be kind of difficult. So that cutting them at an angle is going to really help. So that's just another tip for if you're trying to put your beads on your hemp necklace.